Brick patterns, part.
Good morning, children. In this session, we're going to learn about some bricks pattern. Let us go through the video, children.
Brick patterns, part 2. Today we will learn how many types of patterns can be made with bricks. Where are the patterns made of bricks used? And why is the pattern used?
Dear children, in this session, we'll learn about how many types of pattern can be made with bricks. Isn't it? Then, where are the patterns made with the bricks used? That means where we have to use that bricks patterns. The last, why is the pattern used? That means then what purpose we have to use for that patterns, isn't it? Let us go through the video, children.
Because during lunchtime, Engineer Sir will show us many patterns of bricks. Yes, even I am very excited. We have come. Did you bring with you the file with patterns?
Yes, I brought the book with patterns with me. How can I forget it?
Sir, let us see some nice patterns.
See, these are the patterns made using few selected bricks.
Wow, this is such a beautiful pattern. And it is difficult to make these.
If you understand its pattern, you can easily make it. Let me make this pattern for you. See, first make
Listen, children, you have to watch the patterns carefully.
groups of 3 bricks. Let's make the first line from these groups. For that, let's keep a group in such a way that the bricks are vertical. Then keep a different group in such a way that the bricks are horizontal. Once again,
So, listen, children, here they have to arrange the bricks first vertical wise. This is vertical wise. The second they have to arrange in horizontal. So, the second one is horizontal, isn't it?
such a way that the bricks are horizontal. Once again, a vertical group and a horizontal group. Now let's make the line below it. Because the top line has started with vertical bricks, then this line will start with horizontal bricks.
Listen,
followed by-
children, the first we arrange how we have to arrange vertical. So, second line started, so there we have to arrange horizontal. This is the difference, children. So, here after vertical, here the horizontal. So, next second line when we start, again we start the horizontal after vertical, horizontal, isn't it?
In this way, we make a complete pattern.
Oh, yes, sir. This is really easy. Sir, please show more patterns.
I'll show you.
Oh, wow. This pattern is very beautiful.
Not only is it beautiful,
Like this we have so many patterns, children. This is also one of the pattern. This is very beautiful.
there is something special about this design.
So, what is special about it?
This design is mirror half.
What does mirror half mean?
It means that if you cut this design into 2 halves and then look at it in the mirror, then you will see the whole design.
Listen, this is mirror half, children. Mirror half. See, in front of the mirror, I keep this design means the. Listen here, I in front of the mirror I have to keep means the another part has shown in the figure. So this type of pattern is called mirror half. Can you understand?
at it in the mirror, then you will see the whole design.
Yes, sir. It means that the design present in one half is present in the other half too.
Absolutely right, Neha. Now look at this design.
Sir, this design is a circle design. Is it made with vertical bricks?
Yes, this is made with vertical bricks.
Listen, children, this shape us look like a circle, you know.
You too can try making such a design at home.
Sure, sir.
See, now I will show you another circular design made of bricks. See this.
Sir, this design is very beautiful.
Let me show you one of my favorite pattern. In our childhood, when we did not have stumps while playing cricket, we used to make similar wickets using bricks.
Oh, got it, sir. This is related to cricket, so it's your favorite.
No, the reason for it being my favorite is that this particular pattern gives strength to the wicket so that the wicket.
Children, here this type of bricks pattern you can use for your cricket stem. So this is very helpful for you, I think so. Isn't it, children?
Does not fall easily.
So let's try making it.
Why not? See, first put 3 bricks one on top of the other. After that, place this brick on their side like this. Now again 3 bricks will be placed one above the other, but this time on this side. This gives strength to the wicket. Now we will place 1 brick on the side of these 3 bricks. We will repeat the same pattern once again.
So today, children, you are all learn about how to make a cricket stem using brick. So this is very useful session, I think so, children.
Now show the pattern of walls.
Sure. See, I'll show you 2 patterns of walls. This is the first pattern. It is made when we have to make a thin wall. And this is the second pattern. It is made when we have to make the wall a bit thick.
Sir, now show different patterns of.
So children,
Vent
you have to
also.
see 2 types of bricks wall patterns, isn't it?
See this vent pattern.
See, children, this is very beautiful, you know.
Oh, sir, these vents are so beautiful.
I've not yet shown you the most beautiful vent.
Sir, please show it then.
See this. But this is made of thin bricks.
Sir, it is so beautiful. I cannot believe that such beautiful vents can be made using bricks.
Now I will show you the design of an arch. See this.
Listen, children, this is some types of arch patterns.
Sir, such a beautiful arch. Is something similar being made in our canteen too?
Currently there is no such plan, but I will see if we can do something.
Sir, we have seen the pattern of floor, wall, vent, window and arch made of bricks. Are there any other places where bricks patterns are used?
Yes, let me show you another place where bricks are used. See this?
We have seen this in the garden.
Absolutely right.
So, children, the type of bricks pattern where you have to see in your garden, you know. So, there also we have to use some patterns, bricks patterns.
And window and arch made of bricks. Are there any other places where bricks patterns are used?
Yes, let me show you another place where bricks are used. See this?
We have seen this in the garden.
Absolutely right.
Thank you so much, sir, for showing us such nice patterns made of bricks.
You have seen many designs, but tell me, what have you learned?
So we learned that many patterns can be made using bricks. The brick patterns are used in buildings to make floor, wall, vent, window, arch and gardens too. Circular patterns can also be made using bricks. Some patterns can be mirror half. Patterns are not only used for design, some patterns also strengthen construction.
Very good. Both. Both of you can become good engineers.
So, children, in this session, we learn about some types of bricks pattern. Then, that patterns and are used for strengthen the walls. Then, arch, vent. Then, some garden. It is used for some other purpose also. We learned about this session. So, I hope you all learned well. Thank you, children.